Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. Today I have a monthly recap for you. I'll be recapping the videos I did in February. So for all you busy folks who don't have time to watch all those videos, this just kind of sums them up. And then if you like what you see, you can always click on a video below and save it to your favorites or to watch later. And you can watch those individual ones that you want to watch. So I'll just jump right into the first one here. And this was an XO or a Hugs and Kisses cane that I made. And I'm not an expert at canes, so I have to be really simple with the things that I do. But this idea came to me, and it is February, so it's the month of love. And so I kind of wanted to do something with that. So if you're not really great at canes and you just like to kind of play around and kind of experiment too, I think this would be a perfect idea for you. I'm just working on the X part of the cane right now. And I think that this idea is cool because you can use minimal colors. You don't have to use a bunch of different colors. You could have made the X just one solid color if you wanted to. And then there's only a few other colors in this project. I really love this bright pink color, so it's always fun when I can incorporate that into a project I'm doing. And then this heart was the easiest thing ever. I just rolled out 2 pieces of clay and then pinched down one side to kind of make them both into teardrops. You could have made one long teardrop, cut it in half, and then placed them together like this. And then you have like the perfect little heart shape. So super easy, super fun. You can make some heart canes just using this idea. And while I'm kind of putting everything together here and just going over everything, I do want to welcome everybody to my channel. I have been making polymer clay videos on YouTube for 2.5 years, just a little bit over that now. I'm getting close to the 3-year mark. So I have lots of videos. So if you are interested in this video or other things that I make, please check out my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video and or comment. It really does help my video out. Also, I did start another YouTube channel. It is called Frugally Delicious. I will leave a link below for you. In that YouTube channel, I make budget meals. So I do like budget challenges. I might try and make 3 meals for $1 or try to do $1 per meal, $1 per meal per serving. So if you are interested in that, I will leave a link below for you. You could have used a heart cutout for this, but if you've watched any number of my videos, you know that I do like to freehand things and or just make paper cutouts. So it's kind of my thing, but I know that's not for everybody and can be kind of a pain in the butt. But it's a cheap and economical way if you want to just try to make something fun, but you don't want to go out and spend money every time you want to make a new project idea. And the final product of this little heart was so cute. I just love it. I don't know, I guess I'm super surprised because I'm not great at canes, like I said. But this one blew me away and surprised me. So I hope that you make it too, and I hope yours comes out and that you're happy with your creation. That, and I like this heart idea because it kind of takes the cane and distorts it in such a way that it doesn't look mutilated, but it looks like it's supposed to be kind of wonky and stretched out, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I kind of like it. It's, I guess, organic. And then just putting a little bit of resin on there just really brings out that shine. And I think this would be a perfect little gift idea for somebody for Valentine's Day. A friend, mother, sister. The second video is using the scraps from the first one. And if you've watched any number of my videos, I do love making scrap projects. They are unique and original, and no two pieces will ever be the same, and I love that, the unique and originality of it. So if you have scrap clay, you should totally do this. You don't even need these colors. You could have black and pink and purple scrap clay and mix those together. I think that would come out beautiful too. And I really like things that kind of dangle down, like on my necklaces, like little drops or things that kind of just hang down and kind of move freely apart from the necklace. So that's kind of what I was going for in this idea. And I want it to hang a little bead there in the middle, so I just put a metal stick pin through the middle, and then I can attach my bead on the end, and that way when it's, you know, so beautifully around your neck and you move, it kind of moves too, and it catches movement, it catches people's eye, and they're like, oh, what's that? And I really like that teal color with the pink and the white. And you could actually wear it both ways, so that's kind of fun too. It's a two-way necklace. The third and final recap is a really bright and fun, almost 80s, funky kind of an idea. I used lots of bright colors, some pink and blue and yellow, and then a couple of neutral colors in there, just to kind of tone it down a little bit. But again, this is kind of a cane idea, and I'm not super great at canes, but it comes out really pretty because it's so simple, and I don't think that there's like a right way to do it, and you can't mess it up, and if it comes out a little wonky, I think that would just add to the piece. So, got my very bright colors here, very fun, funky, and fresh. And also, you might have seen my post for the YouTube subscription. I will be launching that soon. I'm going to have a couple of things to offer at different price points, so if you're interested in that, you can click on the join button when it's lit up on my channel's page, and you can see what I offer, and I'll also post updates as videos go along, so if it's not lit up now, it will be lit up in the future. So if you want any kind of bonus content, I will be offering it through YouTube. I also am considering a Patreon, kind of offering the same thing, just in case some people don't want to go through YouTube and they want to do a Patreon thing. And here is the fun and creative part. Just kind of putting everything together, deciding what colors look pretty next to each other. I don't know, it's kind of fun. I enjoy doing this process. Things that are kind of repetitive, I just put on a podcast and just listen to that and kind of zone out. And it's my favorite thing about playing with clay. And it's just a huge block, and you can cut this up into slabs or slice off pieces and cut out your shapes using paper cutters or using actual cutouts, and you can make all kinds of pretty things. I really like how bright and vibrant this came out, and also I reused the scraps from this and I made that pink clay in the back, so it's kind of fun to take your scrap colors and mix them up. You never really know what color you're gonna get. Sometimes they're muddied, but I'm really surprised that with the blue in there that it actually came out pink. It does have like kind of a dull pink or a dirty-ish kind of pink, and I can almost see the blue in the pink, but I don't think it looks bad or anything. That, and I'm gonna kind of cover it up anyway with some glitter, and you'll just see little flecks of the pink showing through. So, you know, if you have other scrap clay, you could use whatever color you really want it to, but little tiny flecks of the color will show through. And I just loved the way this came out. I just smeared the glitter, and they were like little confetti, like stick pieces almost. They weren't the original or kind of the dotted glitter. They were like little thin sticks. I don't know. But it came out really, really cool. I really like it. And I love those colors. I'm a big pink and red person. So you'll see there, you can see the pink that comes through. So it's got to be mindful of what color you put there. But thank you so much for watching this monthly recap. And I hope to see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.